Okay, so same idea in number 10. Our first equation is 4x equals 5y minus 19. I'm going to isolate y in both these equations. And then divide everything by 5. 4 over 5x plus 19 over 5 equals y. Now here's the third case where if you have a fraction for your slope and you have a fraction for your y-intercept as well, you cannot pick the point 0 to start with. It's going to give you a fraction solution. So the way to do the question is I'm going to show it in the calculator. I'm basically going to select random values for x, and I want to make sure I get whole number solutions for my points. So I'm going to type this equation 4 over 5 times, and then for x, I'm going to select x as 1 to start off with. And then you have plus 19 over 5. So if I do that, I end up with a mixed fraction, which is no good. Remember, we want a whole number. So I'm just going to go on my calculator side, and I'm going to change the 1 to a 2. So now my x value is 2. I'm going to try that. Again, I get a mixed number, which is no good. So I'm going to change the x value to 3. Again, I get a mixed number, which is no good. So I'm going to increase it to 4. And I finally get a whole number. So my first value I can pick for x is 4. And the y value is 7. Again, I've done that by trial and error in my calculator. Okay, for the second point, you don't have to do trial and error again. You can always take this number right here, your first number 4, and you can just add or subtract the denominator. So if I added 4 plus 5, that will give me 9. And if I did 4 minus 5, it will give me minus 1. I'm just going to take minus 1 because it's a smaller number, a bit easier to do that. So again, in my calculator, I'm going to go 4 over 5 times negative 1 plus 19 over 5. Should give me a whole number again. In this case, I get my second point to be 3. Let's try it for this equation here. So again, I'm going to isolate y. So 4x equals 4y equals negative 3x plus 9. Divide everything by 4. So y equals to negative 3 over 4x plus 9 over 4. Again, they are both fractions. So for my first point, I have to do it by trial and error. Again, I'm going to do it in the calculator. So I have negative 3 over 4 times, for my first value, I always guess x as 1 plus 9 over 4. It equals mixed fraction. That's no good. I'm going to go and change the 1 to a 2. Again, no good because it's a fraction. Let's try 3. And I get a whole number. So that's good. So my first x value is 3, and then the solution of that was 0 in the calculator. Okay, now again for my second point, I can take this first x value and I can add or subtract the denominator. So 3 plus 4 is 7. That would be a good number to use. It's not too large. 3 minus 4 is negative 1, so I could have used negative 1 as well, but I'm just going to stick with 7. So I'm going to sub in 7 into this equation. So negative 3 over 4 times 7 plus 9 over 4. I get a solution of negative 3. Okay, now I have my 2 points for each of the equations. I'm going to draw my graph. Y, x, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My first point is 4, 7, so 4 and 7 is over there. My second point is negative 1 and 3, so negative 1, 3 is right there. I'm going to draw a straight line through those. Three zeros right there. 7, negative 3 is down there. And draw a straight line through those as well. And I found my point of intersection is right over there. If you want, you can extend that line a bit. That's my point of intersection right there. POI is negative 1, comma 3.